Hello, good evening, my pretty and lovely ladies. How are you doing, all? Hope you all are doing fine and healthy. I'm at Brand Mandir store to showcase lovely Venkatagiri Kupadam Pattu sarees. It's a silk sarees. Kupadam anna kuda Venkatagiri anna kuda same andi because Kupadam anedi Siko Kupadam Siko antaru. Venkatagirini silk ani antaru. So we can call it as Venkatagiri Pattu or Kupadam Pattu also we can call it anmata. So let's move on to the episode live without wasting time. Let's start with mannequins. Yes. సో అందరికీ హ్యాపీ కనుమ అండి. అంత అయిపోయాక చెప్తున్నాను. ఎస్, ఇట్స్ నైట్ లైవ్ కాబట్టి ఇప్పుడే చెప్తాను. గ్లోబల్లో ఉండే వాళ్ళకి ఇప్పుడే మార్నింగ్ అయింది కాబట్టి అందరికీ హ్యాపీ కనుమ. హౌ డిడ్ యూ సెలబ్రేటెడ్ కనుమ? వాట్ స్పెషల్స్ యూ మేడ్ ఇట్? అండ్ ఇప్పుడు నేను చూపించే శారీస్లో వాట్ కలర్స్ యూ ఆర్ లుకింగ్ ఫర్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ యూ కెన్ మెన్షన్ ఇన్ ద కమెంట్ బాక్స్. I'll be speaking out and I'll be reading the comments and I'll be showing whatever colors you asked. If it is available, definitely I'm gonna help you. And let's move on to the live. The one which I'm wearing is very pretty parrot green with pink combination. Venkatagiri silk saree. All over floral buttas. Beautiful border. Diamond shaped florals. Floral vines. Contrast border. Pallu. Contrast. With cross checks and diamonds, dotted buttas in it. Blouse contrast pink color, plain with border. Sari pricing and details. It's 10,477. BU 865 is the code. Yes, take a screenshot and do ping us on 733 733 7000. Hi Meenakshi ji. Hello. Good evening. Next sari. A very pretty shade of violet and green color, dark green combination. Peacock buttas and leaf buttas all over the body in lines, and very pretty border, green color, peacocks in blocks and florals in blocks, stripes wala contrast border. Pallu is contrast with cross checks and beautiful florals, rose birds laga vachayi, very lovely. And the blouse is also contrast plain with the border. Sari pricing and details, it's 10,200. BU 868 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the pricing and details and WhatsApp us on 733 733 7000. Next sari. It's a tissue sari, green color with yellow combination, mustard yellow combination, all over floral buds. Border, tissue border with yellow edge contrast. Pallu, cross checks with leaf buttas along with the paisleys. Blouse, contrast with leaf buttas and border, very nice. Complete tissue, sari is completely tissue. Very beautiful sari. Pricing and details, here we go, 8,850. BU 882 is the code. Do follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook, that is Brand Mandir page. Subscribe our channel Brand Mandir in YouTube and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new collection, you will be getting notified so that you will never ever miss our collection and offers. Let's see another sari. Wow, nice color. Very pretty magenta pink with orange combination. Yes. All over peacocks with paisleys and floral motifs, small floral buttas and medium size floral buttas. Manakindra 3 sizes vachai buttas, medium, big and small. And beautiful border, cross cutty with meenakari, diamonds and leaves. contrast border, orange color. Pallu is contrast with cross checks and oval shaped buttas. Blouse contrast, plain with border. Pricing and details of the sari, 13,650, CI 760 is the code. Yes, very nice. Next sari. Log on to our website, that is www.brandmandi.com, for everyday exciting deals. Very lovely pale yellow with beautiful bright yellow combination, cross checks with stripes and florals in it. అవి కూడా లైన్స్ లాగే ఉన్నాయండి, ఫ్లోరల్స్ కూడా లైన్స్తో వచ్చాయి. Border, cross cutty border, contrast with beautiful yalis and peacocks. Pallu contrast with cross checks and floral buttas. Arifshi, thank you so much, and Sahitya Garu, thank you so much. Blouse is contrast, plain with border. Sari pricing and details. 13,545, BZ 493 is the code. Yes. Log on to our website, that is www.brandmandi.com, for everyday exciting deals. Next sari. Purple and pink, beautiful sari, all over floral buttas. Border cross cutty with munias and temples. Contrast border. Pallu is contrast with steps design with paisleys. Complete steps వచ్చాయి, ఇలా zigzag steps, cross steps with paisleys. Very pretty border, peacock border and stems. Beautiful contrast blouse with border. Sari pricing and details. 10,725. BO549 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the pricing and details and do WhatsApp us on 733-733-7000. Hi Sai Kalyani Garu, good evening. How are you, ma'am? Hello Shanti Garu, thank you so much for your compliment. Thanks a lot. Very beautiful rust yellow, like rust mustard yellow, rust shade, ala brick shade, light ga tinted ostundi, light ga. If you observe, we are getting two tones, like rust shade and very pretty yellow. Beautiful border, purple all over, leaf buttas, border cross cutty with peacocks, contrast border. Pallu, floral brocade, contrast pallu. Blouse is contrast plain with the beautiful border. Sari pricing and details. 9,922, BU 874 is the code. Thank you so much Shanti Garu, thanks a lot Andy. Keep on supporting Brand Mandir this way and keep on loving us, and I'll be bringing showcasing lovely collections to all of you, and I'll be bringing more offers to all of you. Thank you so much. Next sari, green and purple, beautiful floral buttas. Border, cross cutty border with peacocks and florals. Birds, very nice diamond border. Contrast border. Pallu crisscross line. Contrast pallu with crisscross lines and diamonds. Blouse contrast, plain with border. Nice combination. Sari pricing and details. 13,275, BU 876 is the code. Yes, and these are pure and pure silk. Next saree, very lovely peach and red combination, floral buttas. We'll get 6,000 in Seiko, Shanti Garu. These are pure pattus, and this is the beautiful border with cross checks, floral buttas, deers and florals downside, contrast border. Pallu contrast with cross checks and floral buttas. Blouse is contrast plain with border. Sari pricing and details. Very nice color. 11,399. CI 737 is the code. Yes. And dear pretty ladies, do you know how to follow us in our digital platforms? If not, just have a quick look. I'll be coming in a while.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to get updates. Click on settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts and all notifications for videos and live videos.
Yes, next saree. Yeah. It's a coffee color, dark coffee with orange combination, very lovely. And Parimala Garu, the one which I'm showing now are pure silks, pure pattu sarees, Kupadam pattu, Venkatagiri pattu sarees. These are not semi or Seiko, these are pure silks. Thank you so much, ma'am, for watching the live. And very pretty diamond shaped florals. Thank you so much. Border is contrast with intricate curvy diamonds. We have different designs in each block, like zigzag design, cross checks, diamonds, different stripes wala, different border, different patterns in each block. Pallu is also contrast with cross curvy checks with drop shape buttas and florals along with the leaf border. Tissue Kanchi sarees, the one which I am showing is now Venkatagiri silk sarees. If you want to just make a video call Yoshita ma'am on 733 733 7000. The blouse is contrast plain with border. Saree pricing and details. 14,625 BU 877 is the code. Yes. Very nice. Next saree, wow, beautiful color. Yellow and lilac shade dual tone, a very nice dual tone saree, Kalneta saree with checks and peacock and round buttas here. Very nice. Yes. Border is contrast, cross stripes with temples, gap border, temples, pastellays and floral vines, contrast border, lilac shade, very pretty. And this is the pallu, self with stripes and embossed florals. And this is the blouse, contrast with buttas and border. Yoshita ma'am, actually these are Kupadam sarees, and Kupadam is especially, this is the, we get the sarees from Kupadam, Venkatagiri sarees. So we use both names at a time. We can use for Seiko Kupadam because people don't get confused. Venkatagiri is for silk and Kupadam Seiko is for Seiko fabric. So we use Kupadam sarees for Seiko and Venkatagiri for pure silks anmata. So that you don't get confused, but both are same. The difference is one is Seiko and one is pure. That's it. 14,805 is the price. CI 751 is the code. Very, very beautiful sari. Very nice. Thank you so much, Yoshita ma'am. Next sari. Very lovely magenta pink with navy blue combination. Zari checks with florals and deers in blocks. The one which I am showing is all are pure silks, no sequins here. How to order? Just take a screenshot, the one which you like, the sari which you like, take a screenshot and do send us on 733 733 7000 Parimala ma'am. That's all you have to do. And this is the border contrast with diamonds in the middle and beautiful peacocks in blocks. Yeah. Pallu stripes with paisleys and leaf buttas. Blouse contrast plain with border. Thank you so much, Roja Garu, Raja Sulochana Garu. Thanks a lot. 14,805 is the price. BZ 585 is the code. Just if you want to buy this sarees, how to order ante, just take a screenshot of your favorite saree with the pricing and details and do WhatsApp us on 733 733 7000. The code is mandatory because it's easy to get the saree very easily by checking the code. So that people don't get confused and your order will be safe. And the same saree which you have chosen anmata. So and we ship worldwide. Within Hyderabad, we are providing cash and delivery option. Next saree. Thank you so much. Paspulla. Very beautiful orange and purple color. Two types of floral buttas. Border contrast with peacocks and floral vines. Pallu contrast with cross checks with florals and peacocks along with the peacock border. Blouse contrast plain with border royal blue. నాకు ఆరెంజ్ కలిసింది కాబట్టి రాయల్ బ్లూ కొంచెం పర్పుల్ లాగా అనిపిస్తుంది. సారీ ప్రైస్ 10,200. BO 552 is the code. Yes. Next saree. Wow, nice saree. Mint green with a lilac shade. Very beautiful stripes wala saree. Beautiful contrast border with peacocks and rounds, diamonds, silver lines, round buttas. Very nice peacocks and rounds. Huge peacocks. Diamond brocade borders, silver stripes and round buttas in it. Pallu contrast with paisleys, floral vines borders and in the middle complete diamond brocade, floral shaped diamond brocade, and blouse is contrast plain with the border. Very beautiful. Saree pricing and details. 20,872. BZ 512 is the code. Next saree. Purple and pink color. Diamonds. All over diamonds. Border cross kaddi contrast border with meenakari florals and vines. Very beautiful florals and vines. And cross checks and floral. Pallu is cross checks and florals and temples. Paisleys with temples. Which red color, ma'am? Aparna ji. Which red color? This is the blouse contrast plain with border. Saree pricing and details. 14,415. BU 887 is the very nice. Next saree. Yeah, it's a peach and red color. Is it Aparna ji? Is this a sari? The one which you have asked? Peach and red? Yes. The price 11,001. I think this one only. Yes, this one only. 11,399. Baby pink sari. Stay tuned. Definitely, Yoshita ji, I'll be showing you. Just stay tuned in our live. Thank you so much for asking. I would love to show you baby pink sari with purple Venkatagiri silk sari. Yes, stay tuned. I'll be showing. Yes, we have. Very nice. Green and yellow, mustard yellow color. Checks with peacocks and florals. Border, contrast with diamond shaped florals. Cross cutty, contrast border. Pallu, self with cross curvy checks and leaf buttas in it. Blouse contrast with zari lines and border. Very pretty sari, contrast blouse. Sari pricing and details. 16,065. CI 747 is the code. Thank you so much, Aparna ma'am. Thanks a lot. Lots of love in return. Next sari. Pink color. Pink and pink. Actually, it's a dual tone sari. Dark pink with bright pink combinations. Floral buttas, very nice color. Border, tissue border, contrast. Silver tissue. Pallu is also contrast with cross curvy checks with half florals in it. Grey pink combinations. Yes, whatever you asked, you're so lucky because whatever collection, color combinations you are asking, everything is there. Just don't go from live. I'll be showing. Just be patient. Thank you so much, Yoshita ji. And this is the blouse, contrast, plain with border. You can team up like this also. Very beautiful blouse. And this pretty blouse is from our brand, R for Rupamani, another brand from our brand Mandir. For such kind of beautiful blouses, contact our brand R for Rupamani, another brand from our brand Mandir. Any query regarding designer lehengas, dupattas and blouses, do WhatsApp us on 733 733 7000 and మీ దగ్గర ఉన్న sarees కి కూడా we'll give customized blouses అండి. Just మీ దగ్గర ఉన్న saree ఉంటే you can send the picture and we design a beautiful blouse on for that. And this is the price 8,925. BP 900 is the code. Yellow sari, yes, Aparna ji, just stay tuned in our live. I'll be showing yellow color saris. We have 2 to 3 yellow saris, and I showed almost 2 to 3 yellow saris also. Last okkasari live ending lo okkasari check cheskondi. Please do check in the end of the live also once again. Just take a screenshot of that particular sari picture and do WhatsApp us on 733 733 7000. It's an easy process, Andy. And beautiful sari, green and peach color, pink color, parrot green. Sure, ma'am. Parimala garu, I'm really sorry you are asking for patolas. Please be patient. We'll be showcasing soon this week patolas, and we'll take that word and definitely just stay for 2 to 3 more days, please. And thank you so much for your love and support. And this is the beautiful border, leaf buttas and diamond brocade zigzag borders. Yeah, most welcome, Yoshita ji. Pallu is contrast with the floral jal weave. Contrast blouse, plain with border. Sri Lakshmi garu, yes Andy, I'll be showing magenta and blue color also. Just stay tuned in our live. I'll be showing. Yes, 9,765 is the price. CI 746 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and do WhatsApp us on 733-733-7000. Very nice. And maroon color sari, very lovely. All over diamond buttas, diamond shaped florals, both gold and silver. Border, cross checks with triangular design, paisleys and floral vines. You're most welcome, Sri Lakshmi garu. And this is the pallu, cross checks with florals and peacock border. Blouse self, plain with border. Saree pricing and details. It's 10,710. Take a screenshot along with the code CI733. Yes. Next, sea green and yellow. Wow, such a beautiful combination. Very lovely saree. How beautiful and pretty it is. Very lovely. Very nice sea green and yellow dual toned saree with lovely florals, and they are highlighted with red meena so that the flower is elevating a lot. Very, very beautiful buttas. Cute buttas, and the border is contrast lime yellow with a jal weave and meenakari florals and peacocks in it, and crisscross lines with leaf buttas. Pallu checks with diamonds, paisleys and floral vines border, contrast pallu. Blouse contrast bright yellow with border. Very nice. Saree pricing and details. 13,500. CI 758 is the code. Very lovely saree. Yoshite garu, get ready and baby pink saree చూపించేస్తున్నాను. చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ సారీ ఉంది. బేబీ పింక్లో మనకి 4 to 5 కలర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో లైవ్లో ఉండాలి మీరు. నెక్స్ట్ సారీ. So keep on supporting Brand Mandir, keep on loving us, and I'll be bringing beautiful collections to all of you. And to feel the fabric, to see lots of varieties, do visit our stores. It's in road number 10 Banjara Hills, road number 56 Jubilee Hills and Patni Center, Secunderabad. మీకు ఏ స్టోర్ దగ్గర అయితే ఆ స్టోర్కి వెళ్ళి మా కలెక్షన్స్ అంతా చూడండి, ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ చేయండి, మీకు నచ్చిన సారీస్ పర్చేస్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. నెక్స్ట్ సారీ బేబీ పింక్ with a lovely peach color, outstanding combination. Checks, golden zari checks with beautiful bird, paisley and bird in it. Very, very lovely, intricate buttas with silver zari. So royal and elegant sari. Kavita ma'am, yes, and the lavender shade I'll be showing. Yes, definitely. Just check with the collections. And this is the beautiful contrast border, peachish orange, cross kadi and floral buttas. Very lovely. And pallu, cross checks, diamonds and round buttas in it, along with the peacocks and rounds buttas border. Very nice. Blouse is too good. Contrast plain orange with border. Very lovely, bright and beautiful combination. Saree pricing and details. 13,650. CI 759 is the code. Chala rich ga undi saree. Price kuda 13,000. Reasonable ga undandi. 13,650. Next saree, somebody asked for purple saree. Yes, purples and lavenders. Just stay tuned. Yes, Sri Lakshmi garu, look at this purplish magenta. Blocks and leaf buttas with gold and silver zari all over body. Border blue color with cross checks, munias, small munias, and koncham jamdani style lo manaki geometric style lo florals and leaves vachai. Very pretty with birds, cross kadi borders. Pallu is contrast with cross stripes, triangles and florals along with the beautiful leaf border. Contrast pallu. Very nice shade. Very different combination it is. Beautiful blue color blouse. Contrast plain with border. Sari pricing and details. भावना जी किसका प्राइस चाहिए आपको? CI734 is the code. 13,875 is the price. Yeah. Very nice sari. Beautiful. And dear pretty ladies, do you know how to follow us in our digital platforms? If not, just have a quick look. I'll be coming in a while.
Brand Mandir Sarees gives you a significant look with its intricate designs and patterns. Follow live shows on Instagram and Facebook every day.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to get updates. Click on settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts and all notifications for videos and live videos.
Hi Kanya Vishwamitra Garu. Hi Andy, good evening. Next sari. Red and mustard yellow, very nice shade, all over pastellays. Border is contrast with triangular stripes, florals and vines. And the florals and birds, peacocks highlighted with Meena also. Very nice. Very lovely pallu contrast with floral brocade, cross-stitch with floral brocade. Blouse is contrast plain with border. Sari pricing and details. 13,275. BR 450 is the code. Yes. Next sari. One more purple is coming on my way. Nice purple and pink combination. Beautiful. It's not purple, it's a brinjal shade. Very nice. We got 4 motifs here. Rose, peacocks and 2 florals here in block shape. Very nice. Border is contrast pink color with floral vines and cross shakes. Embossed weave. Pallu is contrast with cross shakes and florals. Diamond shaped florals. Blouse contrast plain. Not plain. Yeah, we got brocade blouse, cross checks like buttas. Very nice, different blouse. ఇదంతా బాడీకి బాగుంటుందండి డిఫరెంట్గా. స్లీవ్స్ ప్లెయిన్ వచ్చి మనం ఫ్రంట్ అండ్ బ్యాక్ ఇలా వేయించుకోవచ్చు, చాలా బాగుంటుంది. సారీ ప్రైజింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్. 11,737. CI 721 is the code. Wow, one more baby pink is coming, Yoshita ji. Yoshita garu, one more sari. Baby pink with bright neon pink, very pretty combination. Diamonds and florals in lines. Border, florals, peacocks and rounds borders, contrast border. Pallu drop shape buttas, contrast pallu with peacock border. Blouse contrast plain with border. Sari pricing and details. 12,000. CI 726 is the code. Magenta with cow dung green. Okay, I'll just check with it, ma'am. Parimala ma'am, I'll be showing you in a while. Magenta with pink we have. Magenta with pink we have. Next sari, nice brown, very lovely brown with magenta pink. Stunning combination. Beautiful sari all over. Floral buttas with gold and silver sari in lines and border. Lovely magenta pink with stripes wala and peacock border. Very, very lovely. Beautiful saree. I just love this combination. Very lovely. And the pallu, cross checks with round buttas and pastel border. Blouse contrast, plain with border. Very pretty. Saree pricing and details. 9,900. CI 724 is the code. Sure, Aarti Agarwal ji, I'll be showing yellow color saree soon. Just stay tuned. After this, next I'll be showing yellow color saree. Next saree, beautiful peacock green with blue combination. Florals, crisscross lines, oval shaped buttas, circles, small circles. Border is contrast with cross cutty embossed leaf buttas, floral vines and pastels, peacocks and deers. Pallu, blocks with contrast pallu, blocks with floral vines. Blouse contrast plain with border. Saree pricing and details. 11,000. $400. CI 749 is the code. Yes. Yellow color saree. Aarti Agarwal ji. Beautiful yellow and pink. Very pretty. All over floral buttas in lines. Border contrast with blocks, stripes, diamond brocade stripes, and double peacocks in blocks. Pallu contrast, geometric blocks, patterns, triangles, and elephants in rounds. Blouse contrast, plain with border. Very beautiful saree. Saree pricing and details. Yellow is my favorite. 11,700. CI 752 is the code. Yes. Next saree, red and green. Very beautiful red and green saree. All over drop shape buttas with rounds. Border is contrast with zigzag lines, peacocks. Pallu contrast with cross checks and florals. Blouse contrast plain with border. Saree pricing and details. 11,700. CI 754 is the code. Yes. Next saree. Beautiful pink and peach color, bright pink and bright peach color. All over floral buttas. Border contrast with crisscross lines, cross cutty with meenakari, florals, lotus and peacocks in the middle. Pallu is contrast orange color with leaf buttas along with the borders. Blouse contrast plain with border. Saree pricing and details. 13,275. BR419 is the code. Yes. Next saree. Peacock blue and green shades. Dual tone saree with green color border. Floral buttas in lines. Border tissue border with edge contrast. Pallu contrast with crisscross lines and pastel border. Blouse contrast plain with border. Nice fluorescent green. Saree pricing and details. 7,950. CI 736 is the code. Very nice. Next saree. Yeah. Pink and bright pink. It's a dual tone. Orange and pink dual tone. Floral buttas in rounds. Floral buttas in lines. Beautiful border. Cross lines. Cross checks with dotted buttas and pastels and florals here. Contrast border. Pallu is contrast with floral jal weave. Blouse contrast plain with border. Pricing and details 11,399. CI 762 is the code. Yes. Next saree. Royal blue with magenta pink combination. Floral buttas all over the body in lines. Border floral lines with deers and peacocks. Contrast border. Pallu is contrast with drop shape buttas along with the temple border. Blouse contrast plain with border. Very nice. Saree pricing and details. It's 9,750. CI 738 is the code. Very lovely. Next saree, orange and yellow color. Beautiful. All over diamond shaped florals with gold and silver zari. Border contrast with the triangular borders, paisleys and floral vines. Pallu is contrast with cross checks and diamond shaped florals along with the peacock border. Blouse contrast with border, plain with border. Saree pricing and details. It's 10,650 BC. 582 is the code. Next saree, I see green and green color. Cross check and rounds. Cross checks lo florals and cross checks lo kuda manaki florals andi vaati lopal kuda floral buttas vachayi. Very beautiful saree. Border is very lovely. Diamond border as well as lovely parrots and stems with florals. Very beautiful border, parrot green color border. Pallu is contrast with leaves and mottam kuda leaves and leaf lines. Blouse contrast plain with border. Very very beautiful saree. Very subtle design and 14,175 is the price. CI 761 is the code. Next saree. Wow, very nice peach and purple combination. Big floral buttas. We got different borders. Upper side we got cross cutty and paisleys and parrots here, and downside checks border, thread weave, purple color with paisleys and birds. Pallu anta kuda contrast with cross checks, embossed floral buttas in it. Blouse contrast plain with border. Very nice. Saree pricing and details 11,625. CI 722 is the code. Yes, next saree. One more yellow color. Who asked for yellow color sarees, they can check with the sarees. Very very lovely sarees. Yellow and pink. All over floral buttas. RTG, you can check with this yellow saree. Border cross checks with florals. Deers and peacocks downside with floral stems. Have baby design, scallop design. Pallu contrast with cross checks with vines and floral buttas in it, along with the elephant border, yali borders. Blouse contrast plain with border. Saree pricing and details 11,399. CI 750 is the code. Yes, and dear pretty ladies, do you know how to follow us in our digital platforms? If not, just have a quick look. I'll be coming in a while.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to get updates. Click on settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts, and all notifications for videos and live videos.
Wow, very beautiful color is coming on my way. Nice fluorescent green with purple combination, outstanding magenta purple like that. Very very beautiful saree, all over parsley buttas, parsleys and florals. Border, cross cutty border with embossed peacocks, beautiful parrots, very very nice parrots and florals. Too good. Pallu contrast with diamonds, cross checks with diamonds, floral border. Contrast pallu, very nice magenta pink, and look at the blouse color, very outstanding color. Plain with border, contrast plain with border, very nice. Sari pricing and details, it's 9,922, CI 763 is the code. Next sari, green and pink dual tone sari. So dual tone, green and pink dual tone with pink combination. All over leaf buttas, cute leaf buttas, very pretty buttas. Border contrast with huge peacocks, diamonds, cross checks and dotted buttas. Pallu, crisscross lines with diamond buttas, very nice. Blouse is contrast plain with border, very pretty. Everything is in silver zari. $11,422 is the price. BU 924 is the code. Yes, next sari, red and purple. Parsleys and florals all over the body. Border is contrast with cross cutty, embossed florals and vines with stripes. Downside peacock border. Pallu is contrast royal blue with cross checks, parsleys and florals. Blouse contrast plain with border, beautiful sari. Pricing and details, 11,340, CI 725 is the code. Yes. Shraddh Garu, I'll be showing yellow color sari. Beautiful yellow, mustard yellow with pink, very beautiful sari. Florals and lines. You can team up like this beautiful blouse. It looks more amazing. And this is the beautiful contrast border. Pallu, geometric pattern blocks contrast pallu, very nice. Blouse is contrast, plain with border, very beautiful combination. I personally love yellow, but yellow with pink combination looks more amazing always, and it makes beautiful combination. 11,700 is the price, CI 752 is the code. Yes. Next sari. Royal blue with bright pink. Different ga undi sari. Koncham anta pattern anta different ga, unique ga undi. Checks with florals. and beautiful bright neon pink border, yalis in rounds, and cross stripes with buttas, contrast border. Pallu contrast, complete geometric waves and pattern. Blouse contrast, plain with border. Very nice. Saree pricing and details. 19,020 CI 755 is the code. Quite different saree. Very nice. Next and last saree. And one more baby pink saree. Yoshita ji, చూస్తున్నారా లైవ్? బ్యూటిఫుల్ శారీ అండి, నాకైతే చాలా నచ్చింది ఇది. వెరీ నైస్ సెటిల్డ్ బేబీ పింక్ విత్ yellow కాంబినేషన్, టూ గుడ్ అండి. డోంట్ మిస్ దిస్ శారీ. Lines with embossed round buttas and florals in it. Very very nice. Both gold and silver zari mixed. Border stripes wala contrast border with overlapping circles and ఇక్కడ అంతా కూడా ఓవల్ షేప్డ్ బ్రొకేడ్ ఉందండి. Pallu is also contrast with diamond brocade and double peacocks and blocks checks. Blouse contrast plain with border, very beautiful combination, mustard yellow, very very lovely saree. Saree pricing and details. It's 14,175 CI 735 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and do WhatsApp us on 733-733-7000. Here ends with the sarees. Let's move to the mannequin sarees. Very nice sea green and blue color, royal blue. Beautiful floral buttas all over the body. Border, diamond brocade, embossed florals and vines with beautiful, very nice peacock design and florals. Pallu contrast with cross checks and round buttas. Blouse contrast plain with border. Saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot like this and do WhatsApp us on 733-733-7000. And this pretty blouse is from our brand, Afu Rupamani. Another brand from our brand mother. Next saree, lovely pink, very nice pink. Round buttas all over the body, round shaped florals and beautiful border. Beautiful round buttas and floral cross kaddi and meenakari. Beautiful parrots and florals, very nice. This is the pallu self with floral vines and florals and rounds. Blouse self plain with border. You can go for contrast blouse like this, as we got purple meena here, so we teamed up like this. Very beautiful, and this is not included in the saree. And saree price 12,915 CI 723 is the code. సో ఇలా టీమప్ చేసుకుంటే చాలా బాగుంటుందండి. అండ్ దిస్ గార్జియస్ బ్లౌజ్ ఇస్ ఫ్రమ్ ఆర్ బ్రాండ్ అగైన్. నెక్స్ట్ సారీ, నైస్ yellow and blue color, very very pretty check saree with peacocks and florals. Border blue color, ఇది యాక్చువల్లీ డ్యువల్ టోన్ అండి. బ్లూ మనకి ఎల్లోలో కలిసినందుకు ఇది ప్యారెట్ గ్రీన్ లాగా వస్తుంది, బట్ ఇట్స్ అ బ్లూ. Cross checks with floral vine, cross checks with floral vines and beautiful floral buttas. Here floral vines border, temple, nice floral vines borders again. This is the pallu, jal weave, contrast pallu with leaf border. Blouse is contrast with border. So ఇలా టీమ్ అప్ చేయొచ్చు, లేదా మనకి బార్డర్లో డ్యువల్ టోన్ వచ్చింది కాబట్టి ఇలా కూడా బాగుంది. సో ఇలాంటి బ్లౌజెస్ కావాలంటే కనుక కాంటాక్ట్ ఆర్ బ్రాండ్. సారీ ప్రైజింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్ 14,175 BR 461 is the code. For such kind of beautiful blouses, ఇలాంటి అందమైన బ్లౌజెస్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ బ్లౌజెస్ కావాలంటే కనుక పింగ్ ఆన్ our brand, offer Rupam and another brand from our brand Mandir. Any query regarding designing, just do WhatsApp us on 733-733-7000. సో ఇప్పటి వరకు నేను చూపించిన బ్యూటిఫుల్ వెంకటగిరి సిల్క్ శారీస్ అన్నీ కూడా మరొకసారి మీకోసం. Yes. Hope you all liked our today's stunning, gorgeous Venkatagiri silk sarees. Just take a screenshot of your favorite saree along with the pricing and details and do WhatsApp us on 733-733-7000, and this live video will be saved in Instagram, IGTV, Facebook as well as YouTube. So you'll be having 24 hours time to grab this beautiful sarees at weavers prices, and we ship worldwide within Hyderabad. We are providing cash and delivery option. See you in another live. Until then, bye bye. Shubh Ratri. Take care. Love you all. Stay safe. Stay healthy.
We, the house of Brand Mandir, have come up with some stunning trends which highlight your unique style statement. Follow our everyday live shows on Facebook and Instagram as Brand Mandir.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to get updates. Click on settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts, and all notifications for videos and live videos.